Hello everyone, a very warm welcome back to another Black Country Homebrew video. In today's video we're going to be doing a tasting of the Festival Bonfire Toffee Stout kit that I did, I think it was about 3-4 weeks ago. An extract kit, it wasn't an all grain kit. For those of you who want to watch the video, I'll put the video up here. Basically I was expecting to brew a Guinness clone, the ingredients didn't turn up. I was going on holiday, so I was like, I just want to get a brew on. So while I'm on holiday I can have it fermenting and not waste any time basically whilst I wasn't here. So I went down my local homebrew shop, got the festival kit and brewed it. Left it to ferment for just over a week and it's now been in the keg on 70/30 gas mix. Conditioning, and I have just tried a little sample just to see how it's getting on, and it is perfectly fine to drink. So we're going to do a full review now. So give me 2 minutes, I'll just get the beer in the glass and then I'll come back to you. So there we have it, beer's in the glass. As you can see, it's a lovely colour, so creamy. Being nitro, you do get the cascade effect when pouring it. Absolutely stunning. It's the first time I've used 70/30 mix on any brew that I've ever done, but I thought what a way to start it off with a nice stout ready for Bonfire and Halloween. So let's get into it. On the nose, so yeah, you got toffee aromas, you've got roasted malt. I've now got it on my lip. The oak's definitely there. When doing this kit you do get oak chips, which you add into the fermentation bucket whilst fermenting. You can definitely smell that. Something else there, there's a bit like a chemically artificial smell that might be coming from the toffee, but yeah, smells like it should. A toffee bonfire stout, it certainly smells of toffee with the oak chips, gives it that bonfire smell. So let's get into it. Cheers. So first thing straight away is toffee. That's there, which is, as I said, you'd expect it to be, being a toffee stout. And see, it stays lovely and foamy, lovely lacing on the glass. Oak chips are there. Definitely, you can definitely tell it's a kit, if that makes sense. So for those of you who've done all grain, you don't get those homebrew twang, so to speak. This was done with tap water, it wasn't done with mineral water or filter water, it was with tap water, with pure brewing, and you can definitely tell that it's been done by tap water, but that doesn't take it away from it being an absolutely cracking drink. The nitro makes it just how smooth it is. It's absolutely stunning when you're drinking it. Beautifully smooth. I mean, you can just tell, like, when you... I mean, look at that. Literally don't get any more perfect than that. So, yeah, you can definitely tell it's a kit. I'm not going to lie and say that you can't tell it's a kit. I know Festival are top tier when it comes to kits, but if I'm doing all grain for a few months now, you can certainly tell that I've gone back to a kit, but still a good brew. So scores, I'm gonna give it 2 scores. I'm gonna give it a score as a kit brew, because I've done kits in the past. Extract kits is what I'm saying what I mean when I'm talking about kits. So extract kits, from what I've done compared to other beers in the past, I'd probably give it an 8 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10, just exactly what it says on the box. Overall beer, probably a 7.5. The toffee is a bit artificial, if you ask me. It's very like chemically, I'd say, like a chemical toffee. Yeah, it's nice, it's drinkable, but it's chemically. So that's my score for this beer. Would I brew it again? Probably not. I'd probably do an all grain stout if I was going to do one. Like, as I said, I had planned to do the Guinness, but I've got 30 pints of it. Might struggle to drink 30 pints. I might have to get some people round to help me with it, but it'll be a good drink this time of year. Autumn's here. We've got Bonfire coming. We've got Halloween. It's a good beer for that type of year. So thanks once again for watching. Feel free to subscribe. Comment your thoughts if you have tried this beer, or if you have got any good Bonfire sort of recipes, then feel free to comment below. Thanks again. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Cheers.